Hey, what's going on? My name is Christian from Bit Branding, and today we have another Shopify tutorial. We're gonna talk about how to add your logo to your Shopify checkout page. All right, so here we have an example of our test Shopify store, and we see that it says a little bit treats and just plain black text. There's really nothing to it. And it's just kind of bland. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add our logo and just add a little bit of branding to it. So we're gonna jump back over here to this tab that has the Shopify dashboard. We're gonna click on online store, and then we're gonna hit customize. And this will load the Shopify editor, so you're able to make changes, designs changes on your page and all other pages. So what we're gonna do here is click this drop down arrow, and we'll see we're right now on the home page, but we're gonna go to the checkout just so we can see what we're changing. But technically, in order to make changes here, this automatically took me to the checkout, but you can actually always go to theme settings. There'll be some options in here, but the last one is gonna be checkout. So what we're gonna do here is add our logo. Click image, already have it uploaded here. Select that. But I did make this logo white, so what I'm gonna do is convert all this section into a darker color. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pick black. So right here it says background color, just click on there, choose black. All right, and that's it. This right here will also give you some other options as far as other things that you can change within the checkout page, but all we wanted to do here was add a little bit of color and make sure that our logo was part of the checkout page. Because even though if you change it on your homepage, for example, on your homepage navigation, it won't change here on the checkout page. So it's very important to keep the brand consistent and just to spruce up your checkout page a little bit. All right, that's it. Hey, thank you so much for watching this tutorial on how to add your logo to the checkout page. If you enjoyed this episode, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, hit us with that thumbs up, and leave a comment down below, and let us know what do you want to learn next. Thank you.